Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can automate complete area statement for any kind of complex large-scale project. That will save you 80% of your time and will give you 100% accuracy. So, this powerful Lisp routine will save you 80% of your time with 100% precision. Must watch out completely. You can align this powerful Lisp routine in your workflow. Number 1. Detailed area statement. This plan we have, okay? I will take complete area statement in detailed, okay, very fast. I will type ARS, which is area statement, okay? It asks you your text scale, your area text scale, okay? You can click any existing text or enter to input your text scale. You have both options, okay? Click over the existing text. Now it asks you select your or enter to take rectangle. We will take rectangle, right? And click over the tag and click here. Enter, take rectangle, click over the tag, your text tag, okay? And click here. Take rectangle, click over the point and click here. Why we are clicking on tag? I will let you at the end, okay? Now we have this irregular area. Now we need to draw P line. So it will let you draw P line also in this Lisp, okay? Whether option for rectangle also or draw P line, okay? Once you close, then again ask you click over the point and click here. Area in square meter and area in square feet, okay? And again here, draw your P line. So it will continuously asking you draw your multiple P lines, whether multiple rectangle, okay? So once P line complete, enter, click over the tag and click here and let the kitchen and draw your P line, okay? Enter, click over the kitchen and click over the point and take this one also. You have both options. You can choose rectangle or you can draw P line, okay? Close, click over the store and click here. Now we taken complete inside, okay? Not limited to this. When you will click here, all the selected inside complete P line you will get with text like bedroom, lobby, hall, bathroom, entrance, kitchen. That's why we are clicking that room. Now you see here you are getting complete table also. So area in square meter for each, including P line, hatch and text, okay? And here is your detailed table. Room, area in square meter and area in square feet, including total also. So it can be any type of big project. You can draw P line faster or you can draw rectangle. Then you can extract those statements perfectly in just one time with complete accuracy. And you will get P line also for this plan if you see here. So this way you can extract right from scratch from P line all in one time. Number 2, area by P line. Existing P line you have, okay? And you want to extract based on existing P line area, okay? Not like as usual, faster. Let this ARP. Now it asks you text scale and then click over the point, click tag and simply click here. Select your P line, select your tag and click over the point. Why we are clicking on tag? Because we need in table and complete P line order set. That's why we are clicking text tag. So all we are getting inside area in square meter and area in square feet, right? And now just enter one time and click here. When you will click here, you will get complete P line including table for each entity you have selected. For this case, you must have P line in your drawing. So this way you can effectively calculate your area statement faster using existing P line. One more thing which is very important, you can customize these lists as per your requirement. For that, you can contact me. I will customize as per your requirement. Number 3, area by selection. We have P-line, existing P-line. We will take entirely in one time, okay? By selection, let this here. ART, it asks you select object. Select all. So your P-line must be separate particular layer, area P-line based, okay? It got selected only that layer. Enter one time, it asks you text height, your text scale for your area. Click over the text scale. Now it will activate your serial number. It will activate cycle. Now you see here. Just click and click here. Just click and click here. Here also and here also and here also. So now cycle finish. All the selection finish. And click here to get your complete P-line order as it is. So you are getting detailed area in square meter and area in square feet, and click here to get your table. This is the fastest way and powerful way to make complete area statement with 100% accuracy, and this will save you 80% of your time for calculating complete area statement for any kind of complex or large scale project. Must explore 500 advanced automation tasks where we have 500 best working Lisp that will save you a lot of time. You can find the link in description. Of course, you may require customization as per your scale, text, meter, feet, yards, millimeter. So those things you can customize. For that, you can contact me. I will help you personally. I hope you got this video helpful. If you have any interesting topic you want me to explore here, must leave your comment below, okay? See you in next video with another topic.